AmFam, we're in my bathroom. I don't have any makeup on. I just have my brows filled in because the Lord didn't bless me with those, and some mascara. That means we're talking about skincare. I haven't done skincare in a minute, and you guys, I have found a holy grail product that has completely transformed my skin. I'm going to share with you my current skincare routine. A few things are the same. I've switched out some new things, trying new stuff. Let's get into it. First, we're going to talk about nighttime. So my skin type, oily, acne prone skin. I do have texture, I have pores. I get a few acne flare-ups here and there. I'm human. And can we please just take a moment to appreciate real, unfiltered skin? As a makeup artist, it is very, very difficult when a client brings me, a client brings me a look and they're like, I want to look like this. And I'm just kind of like, well, the girl in the photo don't even like the girl in the photo. So please be realistic with yourself, because I feel like now, because we are so used to seeing everything just perfect lighting, perfect angles, perfect makeup, perfect filtering, Photoshop, Facetune, that it gives you unrealistic expectations, and then it kind of messes you up in the head because you're just kind of like, well, how come I don't look like that? You don't look like that because that shit's not real, all right? So first things first, at nighttime, you better be taking off your makeup, okay? If you are not taking off your makeup at night, I am side-eyeing you like a mug. I am judging you, because that is one of the most that is the worst thing that you could possibly do, is not taking off your makeup. If you're doing it, I want last night to be the last time, okay? It's a new day. You don't have to be that way anymore. There is help. Help me to help you. Remove your makeup. I don't care what you use. You can use a makeup wipe, you can use micellar water, remover balm, whatever the case may be. The two that I like to use, I will use either some micellar water. This is the Target brand, Up and Up. It works just as good as the Garnier brand, and I believe this one might be like a few bucks cheaper. So this, or if I have one like a full coverage situation, then I will use the Estee Lauder. This is the Take It Away. This one's good. Clinique makes a good one. Good Molecules makes a good one that's affordable. It doesn't matter which one you use. This is just what I'm currently using right now, and I like it. Oh, and Soap and Glory, that's another one. I realized recently I like the ones that have a pump, because with the balms, like, I don't know, man, I just don't like sticking my fingers in there. Those are fantastic, but it's just so much easier to pump it into my hand. So this is the one I'm currently using, the Estee Lauder Take It Away. After we have wiped all of the makeup off, we're cleansed. And please understand that if you're using a micellar water, sometimes some of these micellar waters are marketed as like a one and done. Like, all right, you removed your makeup, now your face is clean, you're good to go. Wrong. You still need to cleanse your skin. This is just simply to help you break down and remove the makeup, all right? So our makeup is off. Next up, we need to cleanse. Mine's a little bit dusty and gross looking. This is the Mario Badescu Acne Facial Cleanser. I have oily acne prone skin, so this works for me. If you do not have oily acne prone skin, you have absolutely no business using this. Of course, make sure you're mindful of your skin type. If you're not sure of what your skin type is, a couple of ways to go. When you cleanse your face, do you feel really dry or tight? Throughout the day, do you feel like your skin's just kind of dry? Do you have any patchiness, flakiness going on? If that's the case, then you're probably dry. Do you feel like you get oily really quickly? Or do you have like a lot of shine going on a regular basis? Then you are oily skin. You can be both. You can be combo. Maybe you have some dry patches on the outer area, and then maybe in the center you're oily. Or this is another one that I think a lot of people might not be aware of. You can have oily skin. Excuse me, let me backtrack. Your skin can be giving the illusion that it's greasy or oily, but your skin might actually be dehydrated. So I've seen this happen before. This actually happened to me probably about 2 or 3 years ago. I was doing a wedding. and one of the bridesmaids. When I tell you, I could not get this foundation to stay on her face, it was because her skin was dehydrated. She kept telling me that she was oily, and I was just kind of like, no, we're not oily, we're dehydrated. So what happens is when your skin is dehydrated, it will push out an obnoxious amount of oil. And that's just because that's your skin, that's your skin's way. That's your skin's way of saying, hey girl, I'm dry. You're not putting nothing on me, so now I gotta kick out all this oil because you're not taking care of me. So if you feel that maybe your skin is tight, but for some reason you keep pushing out a lot of oil, your skin's probably dehydrated and you need to make sure that you are moisturizing your skin. So just a little FYI. So I've cleansed my skin, and then I have a couple of what I like to call my superhero products here. So this first one here is the Clinique 7-Day Scrub. This is just a little mini one because this one's my husband's. He's got really dry skin. Like Murillo and I, we have totally different situations going on, but I like the 7-Day Scrub because it's gentle. It's not like that old school St. Ives apricot scrub. If you were still using that, your skin is hollering at you and your skin probably hates you. Don't use that anymore. This, very, very fine. You can use it to get any of those dry patches off. I like to exfoliate my face once a week. That's just my thing because I want to make sure my skin's looking nice and popping and glowy and fresh. So 7-Day Scrub, highly recommend. Everyone, all skin types can use this. And then my other superhero product is Youth of the People. Youth to the People. I say Youth of the People. Youth to the People. This is a Super Clay Purify and Clear Pore Mask. As you can see in there, I have been using this a lot. Again, if you feel like you have just like some deep blackheads or whatever the situation may be, it's essentially a charcoal mask. Now, I would not recommend a charcoal mask if you have dry skin because baby, it might be a little bit too aggressive, but I really like Youth to the People. Their products are really, really nice. They're on the pricier side. You know, you're paying for you're paying for more quality ingredients. However, I like it. And if you have sensitive skin, their stuff will go really well with you as well. All right, so we have removed the makeup. We have cleansed. We've done a scrub or a mask. Now, same thing with the mask and the scrub. Only do those once a week. That's not an everyday situation. I know with the Clinique, it says it's a 7-day scrub. I tell people, especially if you're new to this one, don't go in full 7 days yet, okay? I say do 2 days, see how your skin reacts, take a break from it, and then if your skin is okay with it and you feel like you still need to do a little bit more, go for it. But once you've got all of the dryness, the patchiness, wherever the case is gone, once a week is good to go. All right, so now it's nighttime. This is my nighttime routine, okay, you guys? Nighttime. So now I need to use my toner. I've been loving this one. This one is by Good Molecules, and this is the glycolic, why is that so hard for me to say? Glycolic exfoliating toner. I love this product. As you can see, Good Molecules makes some really, really great products. So therefore, if you are on a budget, well, hey, ain't nothing wrong with that. Or you just want to be mindful and save some coins, good quality products. And I love that they don't raise their prices on things, especially in the world of the inflation and the recession that no one for some reason wants to admit that we are currently living in. If you have been paying attention to the world, then you clearly know that we got some ish going on. However, I love that their products are good quality, they're affordable, and they're not trying to trick you for your Gucci, you know? So glycolic toner. So this is going to remove any dead skin scales and promotes a little extra glow, because even if you're oily, you still want your skin to have that radiant glow from within. Something that I've just had to really switch my mindset on is I have learned to just embrace my glow. I am oily skin. It is what it is. I no longer try to mat myself down. I no longer try to load all these products to control the oil. It is what it is. And honestly, as I am maturing in my life, I'm realizing that having a little glow on your skin looks way better. It looks healthier. You look more youthful than having everything just straight up matte. It can be a bit much sometimes. So we've done our glycolic toner. Now is the superhero product. This is the only product in my entire life that I have used and saw results within a week, all right? This is the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair. Mine is empty. I'm gonna purchase a new one tomorrow. When I tell you, this right here is legit the only serum you need. This is the only serum you need. This is why my skin and just the overall integrity, the complexion, this is why we're in a good place these days, all right? So with the Advanced Night Repair, I'll go ahead and tell you, she's pricey, all right? Pricey, worth every penny. This is a product that I will always make sure, ooh, excuse me. This is a product that I will always make sure I'm just putting a little bit of my coins to the side because we need her. She's amazing. So this serum is a 7-in-1. So you want lifting, you want firming, you want brightening, you want just that overall complexion to be popping. This is what you need. Fine lines, wrinkles, elasticity, firming, lifting, overall tone complexion. This is amazing. So it's called Advanced Night Repair. However, you can use it morning and night. It says it on the back of the bottle. I use this in the morning and night, but when I realized I was running low, I was like, uh-oh, hold on, we're gonna use it just at nighttime. But I have used this in the morning before applying my makeup. Of course, I let everything sit in before I jump into my makeup. This right here is worth every penny. In fact, this is the only serum that you need. This is amazing. And then for my night cream, old school, Neutrogena Hydro Boost. I forgot how much I love this product. This is a dupe for the Belief Aqua Balm. That's another one of my favorite products. Again, since I do have oily skin, I prefer products that are more of that gel formula because they're not too heavy and emollient on my skin. At nighttime, I don't mind if something is a little bit heavier. This one is the gel cream for extra dry, so that's why I use this one at nighttime. They have another one that's just a gel cream regular. I can use that one during the day, but this is what I've been using at nighttime. I use this on my clients and I love it because it's gonna hydrate your skin without it feeling too heavy and like it's too much. And then of course, we cannot forget about eye cream. I have been using the Lancome Genifique and I'm here for it. Again, has it knocked me off my feet? No, I have just been testing it out because, well, I run a Lancome counter and I said, you know what? I purchased something, it came in a free gift and I like it. Does it beat my favorite eye cream of all time, which is the Belief Aqua Balm Eye Gel? I don't know. I just feel like that one is superior and that one is way more affordable, but you guys know I always keep it a buck. This is what I'm currently using and I do like it. I'll report back when I'm all done with it. Okay, so that was the nighttime routine. Now let's go over products for in the morning. In the morning time, I don't cleanse my face again. I will, of course, rinse it with water, get the crusty and the dusties out because we can't be out here like that. And then if I feel like maybe I was a little bit sweaty at night, what I will do is I will just grab some of my toner and I'll just go over my skin to remove any impurities. And then I will go on into my moisturizer. So, in the morning, I will apply, yikes. In the morning, I will apply, again, Advanced Night Repair because it's just amazing. I will go in with Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Jelly. This is jelly. This is the gel formula, which means it is perfect for what? Oily skin. Lightweight, goes on easy. It's not going to be too heavy under your makeup, solid. And then we will go back in with some more eye cream because I don't care how old you are, what your gender is, what you identify as. I don't care about none of that stuff. You're a human being. You need eye cream every morning and every night. I don't even care which one you use. Just use something, okay? And then an honorable mention, this is a newer product here. So this, well, newer to me, this is the Clinique Even Better Clinical Radical Dark Spot. So since I'm in a good place with my skin, okay? I'm 34 years old and this is the best my skin has ever looked. I'm just working on, you see these 3 dark spots right here and then I've got 2 right there. that is what I have been using to target those. I just want to see if this is really going to do the trick or not. So I use this in the morning as well. And then I'm really irritated because I do have this dark spot right here on my nose, but it's from my glasses because my glasses are, I found out, too heavy for me. So I have to get new glasses. I got to make an eye appointment anyway because it's time to get another eye exam, but that's it, y'all. Oh, and we can't forget Laneige lip sleeping mask because come on, it's the bomb. And that's it. Those are my current skincare products, my current routine. Down below in the comments, I want to know, have you tried any of these, and if so, what do you think about them? And I definitely want to know if you have tried the Advanced Night Repair by Estee Lauder. Leave me your comments. And if you haven't tried and you try it, I want you to either come back to this video, report back, or just hit me up on Instagram, okay? Because like I said, out of everything I mentioned here, if you don't get anything else, get this because it's amazing, all right? Thank you so much for watching. Keep it simple, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.